I want to put my phone on it, I just put my phone on it like that. I can turn it this way. I can move it over here because I actually liked them so much. They work venture on the back of my iPhone right here. So I did pick up this case. This case does have the ring open as I need it. But here is what the device looks like. We've got our ring. This is the phone attaching to it. And this thing is to kind of tilt it sideways to get it all to put it up if I need to be able to view things, or if I want to do maybe that. If you need a bigger space, you can use this for your car. So this would stick here to kind of give you a better space. This is sticky right here. We've got some wipes if you need that. The instruction manual, use this to put on the case right to. It does come with that ring in the box. We've got another double-sided sticky that can go on the bottom. So if for some reason you want to move it and it messes this one up right here, it does come with a second one, which is nice. We've got a template here. So if you do want to fold this out and get like the exact right location of where you need this ring on your. So here is cool is I can move it wherever I want to. So I can swing it out of the way. It's nice and very cool. And then if I want to put my phone on it, I just put my phone on it like that. I can turn it this way. I can move it over here. I can move it over there. I can go all the way up with it, and you can obviously tilt it out or back, or, kind of just however works best for you. Out like there, I can twist.